In today's video, I will walk you through how to combine clips in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you want to follow along, you can open CapCut on your PC by visiting the official CapCut website or launching the desktop app. Combining clips is an important part of editing because it helps you turn separate video segments into one smooth sequence, making your project easier to manage and more professional in structure. To begin, open your CapCut project and import the video files you want to combine by going to the top left corner and selecting Import, then choosing the clips from your device. Once they are imported, drag them into the timeline where you can start arranging them in the order you want. You can place them one after another to create a continuous flow, or organize them depending on how your story or edit is structured. At this point, if your goal is only to merge everything into a final output, you could export the project, and CapCut will automatically combine all the clips into one video file. But if you want to keep everything combined inside the editing workspace for easier control and future adjustments, there is a more flexible method. Select all the clips you want to combine by clicking and dragging across them in the timeline until each one is highlighted. Once everything is selected, right-click on the highlighted area to open the Options menu. From there, choose Create Compound Clip. This will merge all selected clips into a single unified clip inside your project, allowing them to behave as one element on the timeline. After this, you can move, edit, and manage them together without handling each clip individually, which is especially helpful for more complex edits. You can still apply transitions, effects, and adjustments to the compound clip just like you would with a normal video. And that is how you combine clips in CapCut PC using both export and compound clip methods for a cleaner and more efficient editing workflow.